The secret recipe to eliminate poverty in a looted nation. Poverty is not an accident in our nation. It is a deliberate outcome of unchecked plunder, systemic abuse, and betrayal of public trust. While the common citizen struggles to pay electricity bills, buys daily use items taxed to the bone, and faces the brunt of inflation, a corrupt elite thrives on public money under the garb of service to the nation. Expose the political abuse politicians who once volunteered to serve now treat the public treasury as their personal inheritance. Lavish foreign trips arranged under official titles serve no national interest, only private indulgence. These tours are a parade of relatives, favorite journalists, and freeloaders, and the outcomes? Absolutely nothing. Not a single policy benefit, investment deal, or strategic gain to justify the expense. This isn't diplomacy. It's daylight robbery, paid by the taxpayers who can't even afford to send their children to school. Bureaucratic manipulation. High-ranking bureaucrats follow the same path of deceit. Private weddings, leisure tours, and family functions are cleverly camouflaged as official missions. They manufacture fake duties, submit forged travel claims, and use official vehicles for private use, yet mark them as in service of the state. This abuse of power drains millions from the national exchequer while the poor are told to tighten their belts. Journalistic corruption media, the so-called fourth pillar of democracy, has turned into a paid propaganda wing. Journalists, instead of exposing the rot, are bribed from government funds to sing praises of corrupt officials. Instead of holding the powerful accountable, they become their defenders, selling truth for a price. Judiciary's disconnected privileged judges, the supposed guardians of justice, enjoy unprecedented pay packages and perks that mock the very people whose rights they are meant to uphold. Their lifestyle is far removed from the realities of the nation, where millions sleep hungry. Call for public awakening. This criminal mismanagement can only end when people rise in awareness. When taxpayers understand that they are the ones funding this elite extravagance, and they have the power to stop it, a public awareness campaign must be launched, loud, factual, and unrelenting. It must expose every unjustified expense, every fake trip, every corrupt journalist, and every unearned luxury. The real recipe to end poverty. The secret recipe to end poverty isn't aid, loans, or charity. It is accountability, transparency, and mass public awakening. When citizens begin to question, not just complain. When media dares to investigate, not collaborate. When officials fear exposure, not enjoy immunity, that is when the tide will turn. Let it be known, no nation can eliminate poverty unless it first eliminates the looters in power.